Excuse me, you are appearing for which interview? Hello?
Sir, I am appearing for federal clerical interview, sir.
You're appearing for a federal bank clerical interview. Which
Yeah.
date?
Yes.
Which date? 1 minute. Hold on. 1 minute.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Ram. Your interview is going to be on which date, in which place? What is your degree?
Sir, my interview is on 7th November in Trivandrum. My degree is chemistry and currently working in IDBA as executive.
Very good. Okay, it's good that you told me beforehand so that
Yes, sir.
questions will be framed suitable for that. Now,
Okay.
how will you introduce yourself to them? Please tell me the way you are going to introduce yourself to them. Please tell, keep.
Okay.
I don't know whether there is some breakup of voice happening. Is it because you are sitting inside a house? If it is so, please go and sit near a window or door so
Okay.
that you get
Okay.
very good signal. How many lines are you getting in your phone?
My Wi-Fi, sir, now it is 3.
3 lines. Acha, acha, ठीक है.
Yeah.
Wi-Fi, but we are connected to Wi-Fi.
Yeah, Wi-Fi, sir.
Then line doesn't have any importance. Now let us see.
Yes.
Yeah, now
Okay.
the voice is shaking like as if you are inside in a Himalayas, like that it goes.
Oh, I will disconnect my this earphone, sir. Maybe because
Ah,
of that.
yeah. Please disconnect that earphone.
Yeah. Is it
You
now
need
okay?
one. Now it is okay. Now I think it must
Okay.
come out correctly. Yeah,
Yeah.
please tell me about yourself.
So thanks for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Apsara Iros and I'm from the small and beautiful village in Trivandrum district, that is Madavu. I have completed my graduation in BSc Chemistry from University College Trivandrum. I have completed my plus 2 from Amrita Sanskrit Higher Secondary School. Currently, I am working in IDBA Trade Finance Department, Chennai, and I am holding the desk of exports and mainly EDPMS, that is Export Data and Monitoring System. And coming to my family, sir, my father is an ex-NRI. His name is Iros Kumar. My mother is Sindhu. She's a homemaker, and I have an younger brother. He's doing his polytechnical course. This is a brief introduction about me, sir. Thank you.
Your father worked in which country?
In Abu Dhabi, UAE, sir.
Acha, very good. Now you are working in some forex related work in IDBI. In which branch?
In Chennai, Nandanam branch, sir. I'm working in Trade Finance Department.
Acha, it is only dealing with this. There is no customer interaction over the counter. Any cash received and all that in your branch?
No direct involvement of cash. Mainly customer interaction will be there, but not much. Mainly customer first point will be through retail branches, and the second only trade finance department is coming. In trade finance, we are mainly concerned with exports, imports, and LCBG. These are the major transactions taken care by us.
Since when are you working in IDBA?
Since last year, November 15th, I started. It has been almost 1 year. I'm working over there, sir.
When is your next increment due?
In November 15, my next increment will be due, sir.
What about your seniors? Are they getting increment after 1 year or it is getting postponed?
No, sir, it is correctly done every 1 year for my seniors also.
Yeah, very good. That's good. That's a happy sign. Now,
Yes, sir.
did you start appearing for JAAB exams?
It has been just 1 year since I have joined IDBA, and now I have started preparing for this exam. But I'm not much involved in that till now. But I'm looking forward to it, sir.
Very good. Now, since you are working in your office where they are not having much of interaction with customers, have you had
Yeah.
opportunity to talk to other colleagues of your bank to know
Yes, sir.
what are the normal functions performed at a bank branch?
Yes, at sometimes the customer will be coming to the branch even for submitting export documents. So I had a chance to get a talk with my colleagues in retail branches. So they were telling like the main functions of a bank is to accept deposit from the customer and also the lending activities in the form of loans to the customers, which is the major income for the bank. And other activities of the bank is like a bank assurance program, that is insurance selling policies, and then like issuance of check, atm cards, debit cards, credit cards, and also providing local service to the customers. These are the main functions that my colleague has told. And also I
Yeah.
have also come across some customers, sir. In case of in my desk, I am handling export documents and mainly old export documents. So we are having so much pendencies, and in some cases we have to go and visit customers. So at that time I came to talk with some of the customers also.
Now you can also mention about mutual fund products
Okay, okay, sir.
and wealth management services.
Okay, mutual fund products and wealth management. Okay, okay, sir.
Just search in Google what is mutual fund product selling by banks, what is
Ah,
wealth management services by banks. Get to know some
okay,
details about that.
okay, sir. Sure,
Now,
sir.
while talking, you were making a mention about some export pending. So we have to go and meet the customers and all. So,
Yes.
what do you mean by pending? What is the period within which we have to receive payment for exports made?
So normally, once the export is done, the payment should be received within 9 months from the date of export. And in some cases, the customer, that is the exporter, may receive the advance payment. In that case, he has to do the shipment within 1 year. But the pendency here is both the pendencies will be there. Once the shipment has been done, but the customer may or may have get the payment, but he has not submitted the documents to the AD bank. And the other case, he may receive the export process, that is inward remittance, and he has done the export, but he has not submitted the documents to the bank. Both these cases will be there, sir. So it is strictly followed from the RBI that we have to close the shipping bill. Once the shipment is done, within 21 days itself, the exporter has to submit the documents to the AD bank. But since he's not doing, we have to follow up with the customers for submitting the documents.
All these things are given and in which document? All
These
these
are shipping.
instructions, these
Uh,
all these instructions regarding dealing with letter of credit and these documents, these are all given under which document? Where it is
uh,
given? I
which
think perhaps
is
you may not be aware of Uniform Customs and Practice for Documentary Credit,
okay.
UCPDC 600.
Okay, sir.
UCPDC 600 is the document that governs the
Oh,
transactions in respect of LCs. But I think in
uh-huh.
respect of the document presentation and all, it will be coming under FEMA. I'm not sure about it.
Uh-huh. Yeah, yes, sir. Fem.
Please ask your officers and get to know
Mhm.
about it in detail.
Okay, okay, sir.
But yeah, but if you stress more about this, more tough questions will come here. But I don't
Oh,
know.
okay.
For example, what is ECGC?
Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India.
What are they doing?
That I'm not much aware, sir.
Because you are dealing with exports, you have to know. They are actually
Yes.
issuing policies to exporters and guarantees to bankers.
Oh, okay, okay,
So,
sir.
so these things, they may ask you if you have, unfortunately, a manager who has got exposure to foreign exchange. He can put
Uh-huh.
more cross questions to you. But
Okay.
tell
Hmm.
him what you are more comfortable. Every day, what are you doing more work? Tell me. Major
Every day,
part
like
of major part of your work is what?
Once the document is submitted, we have to process, that is realization with the payment. So major work I am doing is like document scrutinization, and we will push to our centralized trade processing team. So they are processing the transaction. My major work will be the scrutinizing of the documents, sir.
What will you scrutinize in a document?
Because we have a checklist, like the export document should consist of invoice, bill of lading or airway bill, then a shipping bill. These are the major and our export application form. So
Very
whether
good.
these documents are
So you you
correct.
you you keep your checklist with you and then check it. Good. Very good.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Very happy. Very happy. Good. Now,
Oh, thank you.
what is your father doing nowadays?
Nowadays, he's not. He's doing just agricultural works, and he's mainly um, not engaged in any other activities, sir.
He is retired. It's taking retirement.
Yeah.
Now, what
Yeah.
about your
Yes, sir.
mother? What about your mother?
My mother is a homemaker. She's also just doing that only, sir. No other extra activities for her.
Okay. Uh, while at home, how do you help your parents?
I normally help my mother in her kitchen activities, and also we have pets, that is dogs. So I usually take care of them. I will make keep them neat, their shelter and all. So these are the major things that I usually do at home, and I like room decorating, sir. So during my free period, I used to change the positions of the things in my room, and cleaning also I like to do. So.
How do you manage living in Chennai? Because they will be paying only 25,000 rupees or so. How much
Yes, sir.
are you saving 10,000 rupees per month?
Now I'm not able to save 10,000. I am saving 5,000 per month, sir. And balance, where there will be my expenses, daily expenses will be there. As Chennai is a metropolitan city, the expenses are also very high. So with this 25,000, almost 10,000 will be for my expense only. And 5,000 I will be sending home. And 5,000 I am saving. And balance I will be utilizing for my other needs and wants.
Very good. Excellent. Good.
Yes,
Um,
sir.
the present day, lot of movies are describing women as having very many bad habits. Are you
Oh, oh,
aware of that? Some movies are there where, especially recently, I saw one Kannada movie where a heroine is taken to drinking rather than, of course,
oh,
the reason was given as if she was very frightened about seeing dead bodies
okay.
and all that. And so, how do you manage to avoid bad companies?
Yeah, sir. Being in a metropolitan city or being in my college days also, there were so many exposure to this kind of situation. But if we are not interested or we have the courage to say no, then no one will be enough courage enough to approach us for doing like so. So we should be aware while choosing our friends or colleagues. And if you don't like, you say no. A big no should be the basic thing that everyone say.
தமிழ்
This is the
தெரியுமா?
thing which
தமிழ் தெரியுமா?
தமிழ் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் தெரியும் சார்.
எவ்வளவு தெரியும்?
ஆனா அந்த நார்மல் பேசும்போது கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் தமிழ் வரும். ஆனா ரொம்ப ஒன்றும் தெரியாது.
ரொம்ப ஒண்ணும் தெரியாது. அச்சா, அச்சா. Now, uh, see, what are the qualities required for being a good clerical staff? You are already a clerical staff in a bank. Please
Yes,
tell
sir.
me which, supposing you are selecting clerical staff now, which quality
Okay.
look into for selecting him?
The first and major quality that a clerical staff should have is this communication skills, because clerical staff are the forefront for the customers in doing the services to them, so they should have good communication skill. As I am currently working, sir, I have also talked to many customers, I have also visited many customers, and we are also having some reviews for every 15 days. So I'm having good communication skill, which is developed for in the past 1 year. So I can use this skill in a federal bank if I get selected as a clerk. And another thing is I am having good teamwork. As a clerk, everyone should possess teamwork also, because as a bank we are a team, and our major goal should be the for the total business of the bank should prosper and the total profit of the bank should become higher. So teamwork is, so now also I'm working in a team and I also have a good team player work. And another thing should be the leadership quality. That are the major things that a clerk should possess. Hello.
You can also tell about punctuality, discipline, time management, creativity, problem solving, then
Okay.
like quick learning and all. Now,
Okay. Okay.
acha, why dog is shouting? Are you in Trivandrum?
Yes, I am Trivandrum.
Why you have come to Trivandrum now?
Yeah, today I reached here.
Oh, acha, ठीक है, no
Mm-mm.
problem. And your interview is on 7th.
7th. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, yeah. So you said about this. Now, how how much have you updated yourself about your present bank's details? For example, who is the MD and
Yes.
CEO of IDBI? You have MD or chairman?
MD, sir. MD is there. Our MD is Mr. Rakesh Sharma.
Rakesh Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Acha, good. Now, where is the headquarters of IDBI?
Mumbai, sir. Maharashtra.
Why have you not tried for that, say, probationary officer through that, say, Manipal and all that? Did you try for that?
Sir, I tried, but I was not able to clear that exam. But when I got this job as an executive, I selected this job role, and they are saying like after 3 years, if our performance is okay, we will be promoted to probationary officer. So in this period, I can showcase my talent also. So
That is good. Very good. Very good. I appreciate you. Um,
okay, sir, thank you.
now, now coming to the question. Yeah. What is the savings bank interest rate in IDBI now?
That is about 3%.
3% or about 3%?
3%, and for some savings bank it is up to 3.3%. It will be in this range only.
No. Are you sure about it? You are not sure.
I'm not so sure, sir, but I have read like 3% somewhere.
IDBI bank rate up to rupees 5 crore 3%, above 5
Okay.
crore to 100 crore 3.25, above 100 crores 3.50.
Okay,
That's
sir. Okay.
that's what, but luckily your answer is correct.
Yeah.
Your answer
Thank
is
you.
correct. Can you tell what are the other types of savings accounts your IDBI bank has?
Savings
I
account.
know you may not be prepared for this.
Uh,
You
yes,
have
sir.
to tell me IDBI super savings, IDBI small account, IDBI bank Sabka savings account, IDBI
Okay.
bank Jubilee. Of course, they will not ask you, but
Uh-huh.
correspondingly, they will ask in this question.
Okay.
I was asking to find out, are you confining yourself only to FD, that scrutiny of documents, or are you
Oh,
extra things about your bank, which you can do even today and tomorrow by going through the website?
yes, sir. Sure, I'll do, sir.
Now, but more important is, what do you know about Federal Bank?
Okay.
Tell me.
So Federal Bank is one of the leading private sector banks in India. It was established in 1931 and headquarters in Aluva, Ernakulam. The MD and CEO of Federal Bank is Mr. Shyam Srinivasan. And Federal Bank, the tagline of Federal Bank is to be the most preferred bank. And the motto of the Federal Bank is digital at the fore and human at the core. The vision of the Federal Bank is to become the most admired bank in India. core. There is some core of the federal bank like chaos. It is. I'm not sure about commitment to excellence, agility. Then if I'm not sure about it, sir, but I have read like stability.
No. Why do you unnecessarily involve yourself in this? In as much as you don't know about that cares, I never compelled you to
Okay.
tell about that cares. So we should talk only what we are familiar with.
Okay.
See other details, whatever you know, you can tell. For example, you can know if you know number of customers and all that, you can tell. For example, cares
Mhm.
commitment to excellence, agility, agility,
Okay.
relationship orientation,
Yes, sir.
ethics,
Mm-hmm.
sustainability.
Okay, and
Su-
stability,
uh,
sustainability. Okay.
su- what is
Thank you so much.
what is sustainability?
Sustainability means the ability to maintain the same level of
Yeah, maintain the same level so that
action that they are doing
following
or above that.
yeah, yeah, following generation also will have the same type of facilities or improved facilities. Okay,
Yes, sir. Mm.
good. What is the tagline of Federal Bank?
To be the most preferred bank.
No, no, your banking part, your perfect banking
Oh,
part.
your perfect banking part. Yes, sir.
That is the thing. And then, okay, doesn't matter. Who is the MD and CEO?
Mr. Sham Srinivas,
Who is the executive director?
executive director. Um, I'm not sure, sir.
Mrs. Shalini Warrior.
Okay.
Mrs. Shalini, are you seeing on the screen?
Srini. Yes, sir. Yes.
Mrs. Shalini Warrior and Mr. Harsh Dugar.
Harsha Dugar. Okay.
And you should also know about part-time chairman AP Hota.
Okay. AP Holta.
Very good. Now,
Hmm.
please tell me what was the total deposits of Federal Bank as on September 30?
Total deposits of the Federal Bank. I'm not sure, but I can answer like total business of the Federal Bank. It is about 4,25,685 crore, and the total in that is net profit of the Federal Bank is 953.82 crore. That other these are the things that I know, sir. And the net NPA is like 0.644 percentage, and gross NPA is 2.26 percentage.
What is the difference between gross NPA and net NPA?
Gross NPA is the total non-performing assets, and the write of cases. I am not sure, sir.
No, no. Gross NPA percentage means total NPA of the bank divided by total advances into 100.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Then
Okay.
from the figure of total advances, subtract
Mm.
provisions made.
Okay. Total
That,
advances minus provision.
that will be net NPA. So net
Okay.
NPA figure divided by total deposits, total advances into 100
Mm.
is equal to net NPA percentage. Look, are you aware of this material? Have I given you this 1 minute?
This material I am not aware, sir.
This one, are you seeing on the screen now?
Yes, yes.
What is it you are seeing?
This 2023 PO recruitment,
Ah,
Federal Bank.
yeah, yeah. It is a 227 pages material wherein the questions that have been asked yesterday, day before yesterday, everything is given. This is known as A 2022 interview question. You must know this. If you have the folder, you must be having it. A 2023 Federal Bank interview questions. You must have seen.
Okay, sir. Mm-hmm.
Please go through this thoroughly.
Okay, sir. I will.
Also
Sure.
go through the questions At least 1 to 20 pages.
Okay.
What is the present Nepal issue?
Earthquake, sir. A major earthquake has stricken the country of Nepal, and it has resulted in higher death tolls also.
158 people have died. About 150 people have died. Yeah. Now, please tell me the name of President of USA.
President of USA is up. Uh, I was knowing, sir, but due to some tension, I was not able to say.
Joe Biden.
Just Joe Biden.
Paravailla. Aishwarya, don't get tensed. You, you,
Okay.
will- you are a very prospective candidate because they will be happy to take a clerk from IDBI into their fold because you have 1 year rich experience in working in a bank, that is tolerating others. You have been
Okay.
having experience of talking with old people, young people, boys, girls, everybody. So you are very much fit for being taken in.
Okay.
Now tell me the names of 5 presidents of India.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Presidents of India. Sri Ramnath Kovind, Abdul Kalam, then Dr. Rajendra Prasad, then
Present president, you are forgetting.
yes, sir, I forget.
Murmu, madam. What is Murmu?
Uh,
I have forgotten. What is Murmu?
this Draupadi Murmu.
I
Yeah.
forgot. Because of you, I forgot Draupadi.
I am also getting tense and I am also forgetting. So I don't know.
Very good. Doesn't matter. I'll stop the interview with this, but tell you some suggestions for you to.
Okay.
Please take your notebook.
Yes, sir. Taken.
First, you please try to know the names of 5 chief ministers of Kerala.
Okay.
Then present governor and the previous governor.
Okay, so
Then
previous.
the present finance minister and few other ministers of Kerala. There is nothing wrong in
Okay.
full cabinet.
Okay.
Then go through the union ministers, not health, union
Mm.
ministers. You must be
Okay,
able
sir.
to tell names of at least 5 or 6 people with their portfolio.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir.
Then tell the names of 5 vice presidents of India, 5 prime
Okay.
ministers of India,
Okay, sir. Mm.
names of deputy prime minister,
Okay, sir.
names of deputy
Mm.
prime ministers of India.
Okay.
Then present chief justice, present chief election commissioner, present information commissioner, like that, present army chief, present navy chief. These,
Okay. Okay.
these things you can get in Mica magazine, page number
My God.
41, October issue.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Very good. Okay, then thereafter,
Yeah.
thereafter you should be able to tell me names of at least 5 northern Indian states, their capitals,
Okay.
their chief ministers.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Then, since you are dealing in foreign exchange, they will
Uh,
ask you what are the functions of Reserve Bank. One of the main
uh,
functions of Reserve Bank is controller of foreign exchange.
okay. Okay, sir.
Then they will ask you one more question. What is the present foreign exchange reserve?
Okay. Mhm.
What is the present foreign exchange reserve? You have any idea?
Mm, I don't know, sir.
Foreign exchange reserve of um, India at present is latest figure we have is 586.11 586 billion reserves.
Billion. Okay.
586 billion dollar foreign exchange reserve. Are you seeing on
Oh.
the screen? Are you seeing on the screen?
Yes. Yes, sir. I'm seeing.
First country is China, second Japan, third Switzerland, fourth is India, fifth is Russia.
Okay.
So they will ask you, what is this reserve? What for this reserve is used by RBI? This reserve is used by RBI in order to
Uh,
maintain the value of Indian rupee. By selling dollars, they will maintain the
uh,
value of Indian rupee. For example,
okay.
the
Uh,
value of US dollar today is 83 rupees plus.
yeah.
Value of 1 US pound sterling is 101 rupee plus. These things you can know
Mm,
by going to rbi.org.in.
okay, sir.
rbi.org.in. If you come here, if you click
Mm,
this, first rate will be policy rates. First
okay.
one will be policy rates. Second one will be reserve ratio, CRR, SLR. Third is
Uh-huh.
exchange rates. US dollar 83.26, pound sterling 101, euro 88.52.
Okay, sir.
So these things you can know because you are dealing with foreign exchange. Then what else
Okay.
will be coming for you is that about Trivandrum, the plus point of Trivandrum, what are the industries in Trivandrum, what are the IT centers in Trivandrum, what are the rocket center in Trivandrum, some such stray
Okay.
questions. Then
Okay.
what are the you have been in Chennai for 1 year. What are the places
Yes,
you
sir.
have visited in Chennai? Have you gone to Mahabalipuram? Have you gone to other places? I don't think you have gone. Did you go?
No, sir. I have not gone to
I
Mahabalipuram.
I know, I know. I was in Delhi for 3 years.
Okay.
I never went
Mm.
to Agra.
Oh,
I never
yes.
went to Jaipur also. It is supposed to be only 3 hours drive from there. That because we are very
Okay.
busy and money is also
Uh,
in
not there.
problem. And you can't go alone as a girl also. That's again another
Yes,
thing.
sir.
Anyhow,
Hmm.
thank you so much. Best wishes. Read
Yes,
well.
sir. Sir, I have one doubt, sir. If
Hmm.
they ask like why you are changing from IDBI to Federal Bank, what I have to
Yeah,
answer?
IDBI, the salary offered is low. Salary is
Okay.
offered low, and promotion chances are also not bright as it is in Federal Bank. Further, Federal
Okay.
Bank is the greatest place to work for women, 10th
Uh-huh.
greatest place in India for women to work. And
Okay.
in Federal Bank, we have 41% women, while the industry average is only 31%. And I
Okay,
am
sir.
hopeful my future will be good in Federal Bank.
Okay.
Nandri,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Vanakkam.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Nandri,